Let's turn it over on the back. Boys and girls, today you have more problems to do where we are going to put the colors on the number line. So the first number we have is 3. So draw 3 dots on your 10 frame. The next number is 4. So let's do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer of 3 plus 4? I have 5, 6, 7. Okay, next one. Let's do 2 dots plus 1 dot. That is, oops, I forgot to draw that line. 3. That was pretty simple. Next one, we are going to do 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to do 2 more. 1, 2. What is the answer? 7. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to have you do this problem and this problem on your own. When you are finished with those problems, make sure your name is at the top. Then you turn it into the basket and go to Dreambox. Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do more problems when I give you 2 addends and then you write the sum, which is also the answer. So we're going to practice. Let's do the 2 addends of 3 and 9. So look at 3 and 9 and tell me which number is bigger. Yep, it's the 9. So catch the 9 and count up 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the answer? 12. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 7 plus 4. Which number is bigger, the 7 or the 4? The 7. Let's catch 7 and count up 4. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. All right, next one. Let's do 8 plus 1. Catch the 8, count up 1. What's the answer? 9. And the last one. Let's do the 2 addends of 0 and 10. If I have 10 as my bigger number, I don't have anything to add to it, so it just stays the same. It's 10.